Namaskar. Between 5 p.m. yesterday and 5 p.m. today, Gujarat has recorded 364 positive cases of COVID 2019. We've had 7 people who have unfortunately died with COVID as the primary cause of death. There have been 22 other people who have also unfortunately died with an underlying serious comorbid condition as the primary cause of death, but they've also been infected with COVID and have succumbed to this illness. Today we've had as many as 316 people who have got discharged after successfully being treated for COVID 2019. Of the total people who have tested positive so far, 9,268 people, we've had in all till now 3,562 people who have got successfully discharged. So the discharge rate is as high as 38.43%. Of the patients who are now active under treatment, 5,101 of them are stable, either on room air or having oxygen, while 39 of them are critical and under ventilatory care. We have carried out as many as 1,22,297 tests so far, and the tests carried out in the last 24 hours is 2,760. We have 2 other very positive pieces of news to share with you. One is that the WHO Solidarity Trial, which is going to be carried out in many centers across India, and the BJ Medical College in Ahmedabad has been specially selected for it. So the medicines for this, Remdesivir, which is a patented drug of Gilead USA, has also been received by our teams today. So we will be starting these trials from tomorrow. We will also be having another medicine called interferon, which will also be a part of this trial. Additionally, there is a very, very effective injection called Tocilizumab. So this has also been used in many patients across the state so far with very successful results. Those who have been critical, and administering this injection has brought about a very good effective recovery. So this has also been decided. We've decided to go ahead and purchase this on a big scale. So this process has also been started and it is already being administered in our hospitals. As we know, Gujarat is giving a lot of emphasis on the Ayush medicines, both for a prophylactic improvement of immunity and also for treatment. So if you look at the number of cases from the 6th of March until now, the total beneficiaries who have been given this Ukara or Amrit Pey, which is basically a hot concoction which has a lot of Ayurvedic herbs. That number is about 1,95,000, 1,95 lakhs, 81,000 plus people have been given this hot Ukara or concoction called Amrit Pey. In order to boost the immunity, we have also been distributing an Ayurvedic medicine called Shamsham Vati. These tablets have been distributed to over 13,71,000 beneficiaries or people. And similarly, those of our people, the general public, who prefer homeopathic medicines for boosting their immunity have been given a medicine called Arsenicum album. It has been very, very popular, of potency 30, and as many as 1,12,94,000 people have actually taken this medicine, and this has been distributed. This has been possible with the concerted efforts not only of our team members from the Ayush division of the Health and Family Welfare Department, but also a very large number of local volunteers, local representatives and other organizations which have very, very happily come forward for this. We want to end with a very heartwarming narrative by a young lady called Darshana Ben Dinesh Chauhan. We will see her video. On the 26th of April, she was admitted along with her mother and brother who tested positive for COVID after her father was first tested positive and admitted in the civil hospital, the 1,200-bed COVID hospital at Ahmedabad. Now, having been admitted there, she narrates how she was very scared and she was very worried about this whole condition, and how the local doctors, nurses treating her and the teams treating her at the civil hospital were extremely caring, and how they also instilled a lot of hope and confidence in her and told her that she would get well soon. She did recover and she's sharing her happy story. She belongs to Ishanpur area of Ahmedabad. And we do hope that all these stories make us realize that there is no need to be afraid and no need to really have a sense of panic, but we certainly ought to be extremely cautious. We need to very strictly abide by all the rules, all the do's and don'ts for COVID, such as hand wash, wearing a mask, ensuring social distancing, and also trying to boost our immunity by doing all these simple measures which the Ayush Ministry has suggested. And of course, let's not forget to download the app called Arogya Setu, which provides a very solid armor for all of us, a security ring for each one of us. Thank you.